Hi everyone, this is Crafty Emmy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a nose bridge wire to an existing face mask without having to sew one on. So some of the supplies we're going to need for that are the face mask, hot glue gun or E6000 type of glue. Either one of those will work. Duct tape, some ribbon, and some kind of craft wire. This is jewelry wire and it's pretty thick, so it's malleable, which is what you're looking for. You could also try to find some of that gardening wire that they sell at Dollar Tree, or you can probably find it at Walmart as well, and it's usually coated in like a green plastic cover film. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, first thing you need to do is cut the wire. I forgot to mention you also need some kind of pliers. You can get these also at the Dollar Tree or Walmart where you buy your wire. I think they have them in the gardening section as well, or like the floral section. Okay, so I think 3 inches is probably a good length. So just snip that. And then we're going to take our duct tape. Take our duct tape and we're going to wrap that wire in some duct tape. So you're just gonna kind of like sandwich it in there, just fold it in there. Now I'm going to take my scissors and trim some of this out. Like that. And I'm going to do another I'm going to go one more time, cover it one more time because I want it to be comfortable. So I want to kind of cushion it with the duct tape. So now I'm cutting it thin enough to fit the width of the ribbon where it's going to go, where it's going to get pocketed in the face mask. So here's my ribbon. So what I'm going to do, here's my face mask. So basically it's going to go on the inside. Let's do it this way. So then I just eyeball it, more or less center it where you want it to be. So like right there. So you're going to take your ribbon and kind of center that. Now I make it longer, the ribbon, the little pocket longer than this, the piece of wire, and I think I need to make the wire a little more narrow, but that seems about right. So I'm just gonna cut that. Oops. Maybe cut a little bit more off the ribbon. Okay, and so I'm going to actually make this more narrow, like I said. Which I should have probably done that to start with, but okay. So that should fit in there pretty well. The idea is you're going to slip it in like that. So now we're going to just glue the ribbon onto the face mask. Now I've done this before by sewing, not this method. So I am going to see which way works best. I think I'm going to hot glue the ribbon instead of the fabric. Hot glue gun. hot glue guns get very hot, so be very careful. It's very easy to burn yourself. So then just, and they sell hot glue guns at Walmart or the Dollar Tree as well. I've seen them at the Dollar Tree. So, okay. Oops. Okay, that should be good. And now, let me flip this over, get a better angle of it, and do this one. I'll start on this end. See if you can see that. Now, would this survive the washes? They sell glue sticks that are meant for fabric. But you know, if it doesn't survive the wash, then you just glue it back on. It's no biggie. Or just hand stitch it. You may want to just do that instead. If you have a needle and thread, that's what I would do. But this is, in a pinch, this will work. Okay, so you have your pocket. Press down. Let's grab our ribbon. And just sandwich it in there. I don't think it works, except for I think there's glue that might have gotten stuck there. So actually, I'm going to take a piece of wire. Let's see if I could kind of dislodge that. There we go. Let's try this again. Now, one of the reasons I also put the duct tape, wrapped it in this, the wire, why I wrapped it in duct tape, is because my thought was that hopefully you could take it out and disinfect it, you know, and take it out during the wash, so you don't have to wash the face mask with the wire in there. Well, that should work. So that way, you know, you can reuse it. You could spray it with alcohol, but that's it. So then you can just form it to your nose. For those of you who wear glasses and have to work with them, like you can't take them off, you have to see, you have to have them on to see, near or farsighted. You know that it's really difficult to wear one of these masks without one of these wires, because your glasses will steam up, and it's very, very aggravating, because then you're touching your face, which is, you know, what you're not supposed to do. So this is really helpful. Hopefully it helps someone out there. Let me know if you liked the video and if it helps out. Thanks for watching.